Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Mathematics for architecture. First class, first lecture. So the very first topic, that is a function. So let us define what is function. So function, the simplest definition of the function is an equation. Function is an equation, but that equation, if for any x in the domain of the equation will give you exactly one value of y. मतलब कि if we having an equation, the input value, that is known as domain. The domain values are denoted by x. The range values are denoted by y. So there is the definition for any x, any value in the function, let that is 1. For any value from the domain, there will be a unique result in y. Let we have this equation. So let us check this equation is a function or not. Substitute this 1. Substitute this 1 in this equation. So that becomes 2 into 1 plus 3, 5. So for one value of y, there is a single value. For one value of x, there is a single value in y. Such equations are known as function. फंक्शन वो होता है, वो इक्वेशन होता है जिसमें आप एक इनपुट दे दें और एक आउटपुट आपको मिले. If we take two value from here and put there, so this becomes 2 into 2 plus 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So for 2 there is 7 in y. ठीक है? That equation is known as a function if for any x there is exactly one y. This is the definition of the function. Determine if each of the following are function. So here we have y is equal to x square. Now let first use the symbolic notation. What are the symbolic notation for the functions? Let we have this function. So this function y is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3. This is a function. It can be denoted as this y. We can write this as f of x equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3. This is one notation. Second one, we can write this as g of x is equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 3. h of x, k of x. So all these f of x, h of x, w of x, g of x, r of x, w of x, these are the notations, different notation for the function. Notation means symbols. So this function can be written as f of x, g of x, h of x, and this x means in the function w on the right there is x. If we have here t, so this means on the right variable t, there is t minus 5t plus 3. So these are the two notations, and x doesn't mean w into x. this t doesn't mean w into t. So these are the notations, and this t represents on the right variable t is there. Okay, now we are given a function. Function is given. That function is f of x minus 6, 6 minus 11. This function, and find the value of f of 2. How to find the value of f of 2? So we have this f of x equals to minus x square plus 6x minus 11, and we are interested in f of 2. So here 2. So just replace this x by 2. On the right, whenever there is x, replace that x by 2. Minus will be as it is, and 2 power 2 means 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, minus 11. So minus 11 and minus 4. These two becomes minus 15 plus 12. Minus 15 plus 12 will give you minus 3. So the value of f of 2 is minus 3. If we have f of 10, just replace f, this x by minus 10, this x by minus 10, minus as it is, plus 6 into 10 minus 11, minus as it is. This minus has square, so this becomes plus, so we don't need to write plus. And 10 power 2 means 100, plus 60 minus 11. So these two becomes minus 111 and plus 60. अभी आप खुद कर ले, do it. Here f of t. So there we have f of x. Just replace this x by t. So that becomes f of t. F of t is equal to minus 10 minus t square plus 6 into t minus 11. This is done. And this one, replace that x by x minus t minus 3. If as it is, replace that x by this value, t minus 3. On the right, minus t minus 3 whole square plus 6 t minus 3 minus 11. That is done. And try these E and F. Okay. This is the solution of that question. I have solved all these